Alright guys, so it's the 4th, June 4th, and here in this corner, going to get my bed. So I'm gonna go talk to the front desk real quick. I'm gonna go down and get the bed. Alright guys, so the mattress just got here. Now we're you guys about to help us get upstairs.
Where is the room?
Around.
Okay.
Around.
Oh my goodness.
Good view.
So here on the red carpet?
Oh, what you say?
You want to see it?
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Thanks LA Mattress once again. Got us a great deal. I feel good about it. They feel good about it. That's great. It's just a queen. It's a little smaller than we thought. Like it feels small, I don't know. The king would have been good in here, but I was happy with the price and we're good. It's nice. Alright guys, so you know you can't know if a mattress is good without testing out. The only way to fully test it out is oh, it's good, yeah. It's Casey approved.
Casey, are you having the time of your life? Huh?
Well, have you seen? Ay! I'm freaking exhausted.
Guys, look at everything we got so far.
Too much.
All kinds of, you can't even see everything.
Oh! Look at that shit, hell far. Steve, you have to walk away without the camera.
I told you, you said you were taking over.
No, I didn't say that. You're gonna leave our family and friends and our unknown subscribers.
Alright guys, we're unloading the car from Ikea. This is how you move into a high-rise apartment on this little tiny dolly. Alright, we got all our bowls and stuff over here. Pots and pans. Casey's desk. Our desk. He'll be using it a lot. Yeah, we were at Ikea for about 3 hours.
Yeah, it was freaking...
It was fun. It was really crazy. This Ikea is crazy. The Ikea in Burbank we went to.
Yeah.
It was crazy busy, but
Of course it is LA.
and then oh, first we went to the Advanced Auto, then we went to Walmart, then we went to Ikea. That's why he's really tired. He gets tired fast.
That was a long
when we're
day.
busy.
What time we leave? 12:30? It's 7 o'clock.
Yeah. I'm a little tired too. But our car is still on the loading zone, so we gotta go move
Oh
that.
my god, the damn game.
We have to go move the car out of the loading zone and bring the TV up. And
Then we
then
should just go to Walmart.
I have all my shoes to bring up. You wanna go to Walmart tonight?
We should just go.
Oh, it's gonna be a madhouse. Sunday?
You want to go now? When should we? I mean, we should just get over because I want to start working out tomorrow and I need food.
You wanna go shop tomorrow?
Not really.
Alright guys, we just got back from Walmart and we did our first big shopping.
Locked it.
You're not gonna know though. We did our first big shopping. Let me show you. I don't know where these lights are yet. There we go. We got all kinds of stuff. We had to get like pots and pans and these things for the oven and all kinds of stuff. And then we decided to order out. So we
Did you get my charger box?
Yes.
That was in the middle?
Yeah, it's in there. We decided to order out, so we ordered from Uber Eats and we got some chicken fried rice and what'd you get?
Yeah,
Spicy tuna roll.
Yeah, hopefully it's good.
Okay. So that should be here in about 30 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and unpack everything. Casey's got to bring this back down to the front lobby. And yeah, we got a lot. It's getting pretty messy in here. We got stuff everywhere. Oh, and this is our first household decoration. It's the California bear, and we actually got this in Oklahoma in what was it? An art festival in OKC. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's made from actual real metal. This is gonna end this video. We will catch up with you tomorrow. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up.
Like,
And
comment,
you
subscribe,
wanna say
and tune in to the next one, mother beep beep.